Hi, my name is DiBucci and I'm the Director of Facilities here at Port Clinton City Schools. It is my pleasure to share with you a brief update on how we continue working extremely hard to make sure that we are meeting and exceeding our number one goal, which is the health and safety of our students, staff, and facilities. We as a school district are continually reviewing COVID-19 planning restrictions to create policies for school reentry that foster the overall health and safety of our students and staff. We are also thankful to have such a great working relationship with the local Ottawa County Health Department in addition to the Ohio Department of Health. I'd like to start by saying that we as a school district are extremely thankful to have such an experienced and dedicated group of custodians and maintenance who work with great effort to care for our buildings. Collectively, our staff has 250 plus years of experience with Port Clinton City Schools. Our team is continuously working hard to maintain clean and healthy buildings during these challenging times. Along with their dedication to clean and disinfect comes their willingness to learn about new methods and products used to conduct their jobs both better and faster. We have an excellent partner in the business for custodial supplies who also provides regular training on products and procedures for our team, ensuring we are disinfecting and sanitizing properly at all times. In fact, August 13th, we will have a dedicated COVID-19 cleaning seminar hosted by our chemical supplier to make sure that we are properly cleaning and disinfecting for the upcoming school year. While this summer looks slightly different than previous years, our plan to provide a deep clean in classrooms and all areas of the building during the off-season have expanded. This deep clean consists of literally emptying classrooms of all furnishings and cleaning from wall to wall and floor to ceiling. While providing an innovative and effective method for disinfecting, we are currently utilizing some newer sanitizing equipment that provides a more effective clean. With our cordless handheld electrostatic sprayer from Victory, we're able to spray a patented electrostatically charged cleaning agent into every nook and cranny, providing a deep and more thorough clean. This helps provide better coverage of cleaning agents where the traditional spray bottle and hand towel may not reach. This also allows us more versatility on where and how we sanitize. The cordless sprayer allows us to quickly sanitize buses, bathrooms, locker rooms, and offices. The cordless unit coats up to 2,800 square foot in a single tank of fluid. Other benefits include touchless application, reduced cross-contamination, easy to operate, portability, and electrostatic wrapping. Some of the deep cleaning work we perform over the summer includes, but are not limited to, changing and upgrading HVAC filters along with cleaning diffusers to maximize clean air at all times. The air we breathe is as equally important as the surfaces we are touching. As previously mentioned, we remove all furniture from classrooms and offices and wipe down and spray with appropriate cleaner. The carpets are shampooed and extracted, and hardwood floors are scrubbed and waxed. All kitchen equipment is cleaned and sanitized, along with bathrooms and drinking fountains. We clean and resurface gym floors as well. As these items are cleaned regularly throughout the school year, however, our summer deep clean provides a much greater concentration in all areas throughout the facilities. We're frequently cleaning surfaces, paying particular attention to high-touch areas such as stair handrails, door handles, counters, desks, tables, chairs, laboratories, computers. Lastly, we are actively reviewing strategic placement throughout the district of hand sanitizing dispensers to provide a secondary method of cleaning and sanitizing hands to help minimize the spread of germs and viruses. Our goal is to install hand sanitizing stations into each one of our classrooms. Hand sanitizer is a great alternative to the gold standard, which is washing hands properly with soap and water. So in summary, what I would like to tell you is that we as a school district are doing everything that we can to reinsure the health and safety of our buildings for the upcoming school year. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.